So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be solving the Leetcode contest problems 412. So today contest I was able to solve two questions. So we will discuss the intuition and approach about it. So you can pause the video and we will discuss the solution afterwards if you once you read the question. Okay, so hopefully you have read the question. The first question is a easy one. It says a final array state after k multiplication queries. So hopefully you have read the question and understood. I would describe the question and then we would straight jump into the solution. Okay. So the question says you are given an integer nums int k multiplier. Then it is replace the selected name value with the multiplier. Okay. So you are given a value. You are given one integer, one k value, one variable which is k. The value of k is 5, and one multiplier which is 2. Okay. So k means the number of steps. Okay. So you need to perform some operation k times. What operation it is? In each operation you will find the minimum of the element, multiply it with the variable, and then return. Like in the first step, what is the minimum of this? Minimum is 1. So you can multiply the array by 1. So it is 2. Minimum is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. Now all the elements will be same. 3, 5, 6. At the second step, what's the minimum? 2. If two have the same value, then we would take the first. Now, okay. So 2 into 2 would be 4. Again 2, 3, 5, 6. So we will go on and of k steps, and then last step, whatever the array we have generated, we would need to return. So you can see the constants are very less. You can do the brute force. Nums is 100 only, so n square would definitely work. So we can choose n square solution. So here is the solution. You can see, okay, while k minus minus, at each step we are taking the minimum of the array and storing the index, that where the minimum element has been located. Then after that we multiply it with that element and return. So this is easy. You can, if you run the code, submit. Okay, so now just we will go on to the second question. This is a good one. So first read this question. Problems link will be also in the description, so you can read it or you can pause the video and read. After that we will start. Okay, so hopefully you have read the question. First I will explain the question and then we will go to the solution. This is a good question. This is of medium difficulty level. Okay. So question states you have been given this array. We will remove this. Okay. You have given this array. You need to find the number of pairs. Okay. Number of pairs such that their index are I and j, where I is less than j, and okay, so the conditions are, let's say numbers are nums of I and nums of j. Okay, this number will have some digits. Let's say nums of, let's say these, we represent these numbers are x and y, nums I and nums j. Okay, now let's say x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 12. Okay, we are choosing these two numbers. So what we need to find is, we can choose any number 3, or we can choose, at a time we can choose one number, and we can swap any two digits of any one number, and we need to check if that can become equal to the previous number. Okay, like can we, if we choose this number, let's say y is 12, can we swap these two digits 1 and 2 such that it become equal to 3? Nothing, right? Y is 21. If we swap it, what it will become? Y is 12. We swap it, become 21. Does it become equal to x? X is 3. No, no. So x is not equal to y. Similarly, let's say we choose different case. Here we choose, let's say x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 30. Okay. Now can we do this operation? Surely yes. Okay. So we choose y is 30. If we swap the digits, of y, what it will become? 30 is there. If we swap, it will become 0, 3. Does it become equal to x? Yes, definitely. As x is equal to 3, so x become equal to y. So we need to find the number of pairs such that if we choose any one of those two pair, either x or y, then if we swap any two digits, this operation swapping we can perform only one time, not more than one. Question it is on question in question it's mentioned at most once. Okay, if numbers are equal, then we don't need to do any operation, it is fine. But if they are different, we can do at most once. We can't do the swapping operation more than one time. Okay, so here what you can see the answer. Are 3 and 12 is the answer? No. 3 and 30 can be the answer. 3 comma 30. What else can be the answer? We can see 12 and 21. If we swap the digits of 21, we will get 12. Okay, 12, 21. Any other answer? I think no. Output is 2. You see this. Now let's say this example 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 1. Can you choose 1, 2, 3 and swap any two digits to become equal to 2, 3, 1? Or similarly, can you swap 2, 3, 1 any two digits of 231 and make it equal to the previous one 123? We can't, right? So this is the question. So we will jump straight to solution, or before I can that we can discuss approach. Okay, we'll discuss this. Okay, the let's say we have a number. So question is, okay, we will first look at the constant. Okay, constants are very less, you can say 100. Okay, so we can choose n square and cube, any solution would work. So what is the brute force? The question is, if we have two numbers, can we check that the two numbers can form up that answer? Here that answer were 3 and 30 or 12 and 21. Okay, so let's say we have two, we will take some big numbers. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is our x, and we have second number, let's say we have 1, 2, 4 and 3. Can this be answer? Yes, definitely, because these two numbers, if we swap these two positions in number 1, we can get this previous number. Okay, so what is the brute force? What we will do is, we will find the digits of this, then we would check if all the digits are same, like in this case 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 means number of the digits. I'm not saying exact number. What are the digits? 1 comma 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Here also what are the digits? 1, 2, 4 and 3. So these contain 1, 2, 3, 4. This also contains 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be our answer, not the this can be our answer, not the exact answer, but this most probable answer it can be. So now what the second thing we need to check? if these two numbers differ only at two positions. Okay, like here we can say number is differing at this position because this, and number is differing at this position. So there are only two positions in this number, two positions are there. Okay, so either there are two positions or both numbers are equal. Like if we are given 1 2 3 4, if both numbers are equal, then definitely then we do not need to do any kind of operation, numbers are equally before, so that is the answer. Otherwise, if the number are not equal, we would find the digits in it. Here it contains 1 2 3 4, here it contains 1 2 4 3. So numbers are, digits are equal, so this can be the answer. If let's say we have 1 2 4 and 5, 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, these also, if we check this and this also differs are only two positions only. You see, 4 5 and 3 4, but this can't be the answer because it contains 5 digit which is not present in this number. So first condition we need to check is this one. First condition is this, that the digits must be same. Second, if the digits are same, then we will check if they must be differing at most two position. One, why we are not considering that if they are differing at only one position, because that can't be possible. Let's say you have two numbers. Okay, let's say, check here. Okay, you have two number, 1 2 3 and 4. Second number is 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, they are differing at only one position, but is the 5 appearing here? No, right? So this can't be a solution. Okay, so I hope I have discussed the approach correctly. We will jump to the solution now, coding part. You see what I have done here is, okay, we are iterating on the all the pairs that is n square. So in each pair we are checking this condition. Okay, so what is this condition checking? If this pair can be the answer. What this check function contains is, we would, it is inputting two numbers, then what is this doing? This is find the number of digits. Okay, this is getting the number of digits in each number. Okay, let's say number was 1 2 3 4. So A was 1 2 3 4 and B was 1 2 1 2 4 3. So at first step, what it would have been, A would be 4, B would be 3. Okay, now at second step, what would be 4 and 3. Now, okay, remove the second step. We would first consider this only. A is 4. We are checking A, if A is not equal to B. If A is not equal to B, this condition we are checking, this one here, like 4 is not equal to 3. Okay, this one checking, this 4 is not equal to this 3, and we need the count of this, because we want the count to be 0 or 2. Okay, so if not equal to B, we are incrementing the counter and we are pushing in an array v1a and v2b. Why we are pushing in the array? Because we need to maintain this list also, this list and this list, because at the end we first need to check if the digits are equal, then we would uh, check the count of C. Okay, now at the end, what it will contain after this loop, v1 is the array, what v1 it will contain? The digits of the first number, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And what v2 will contain? V2 would be 1 2 4 3. Now if we sort these two numbers, we are checking this condition, first condition. Okay, if we sort these two numbers, we are sorting here, then the both arrays will become equal, correct? This is 1 2 4 1 2 3, sorry, this is 1 2 3 4, and what v2 will become 1 2 3 4 again. If we sort it, then both arrays become equal. If both arrays become equal, then our first condition is satisfied. Then we would check the second condition. Here we are checking, okay, if I become equal to v1 dot size, means our first condition is correct, satisfied. Okay, now for second condition, this is the second condition. If count is 0 or if count is 2, count 0 means both arrays are equal, numbers are equal. Otherwise count 2 means they are only differing at two position. Here they are differing at 3 and 4, here this condition. Okay, so they are differing at only two positions, or both arrays are equal, then we would return 1, otherwise return 0. And then at the end, at each step, we are, if we are finding the answer, we are incrementing the count answer. So we would run it. Accept. Okay, the solution has been accepted. So hopefully you have understood the question. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.